Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. To get in shape for the real thing, the world's best ski jumpers spend part of their summers strapped down in 60-mile-an-hour wind tunnels and working with aerospace engineers. It's more than a need to feel the wind on their face, though that might explain why people are attracted to the sport in the first place. For ski jumpers to adjust to the powerful mid-air forces inflicted on their bodies, their muscles, and even their ability to breathe, they need to prepare, train, and practice with the real thing. Anything less would leave them unprepared for the many variables that can happen during competition. The same scenario applies to preparing seedlings for the great outdoors. That is, real sun, real wind, rain, and so on. One way to do this is to pet or brush your seedlings during the weeks before transplanting them outside. Studies from Cornell University in New York show that brushing seedlings with your hand each day not only strengthens their stems, making them stockier plants, but it reduces pest problems. So if you're raising seedlings or just purchased seedlings from a nursery, make it a habit to give them the brush-off each time you water them. And while you're at it, pretend you are a wind tunnel and gently blow on your seedlings, not to impress them with your sweet breath, but to give them an extra dose of carbon dioxide. It's a great "I'll scratch your back if you'll scratch mine" relationship we have with plants. They take in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen, which keeps us alive. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.